Weakness is death. Love is life. Hatred is death. A very warm good morning to my respected sisters, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, I feel much proud to stand before you on this auspicious occasion of National Youth Day celebration, in remembrance of the birth anniversary of India's greatest spiritual and social leader, Swami Vivekananda. Yes, he was a great teacher, orator, a prolific thinker, and a patriotic Indian who worked tirelessly towards the betterment of the society. He gave us the message of universal brotherhood and believed that the future of our country depends on the youth. As Swamiji had said, we should try to believe in our own strength and realize that we are the creators of our own destiny. Let's always remember the theme of 2023. A winning effort begins with preparation. Take a glimpse of 10 famous people who have created history from ancient to the present time as they come before you. Thomas Alva Edison. One of the most famous and prolific inventors of all time, Edison exerted a tremendous influence on modern. Bhagat Singh is one name that needs no introduction. He was one of the most famous Indian playback singers. She has a magical voice. With that, she has ruled millions of hearts. William Shakespeare. Kalpana Chawla. She became a source of inspiration. Malala Yousafzai is a Pakistani educational activist and the 2040 Nobel Peace Prize laureate. She became an international symbol of the fight for girls' education after she was shot in 2012 for Ananda is a chess grandmaster, a chess prodigy. He earned the international master title at the age of 10 and the grandmaster title at the
Greta Thunberg. A 16 years old environmental activist from Sweden who became famous after she established the movement School Strike for Climate.
Neeraj Chopra is a track and field athlete from India. He is the reigning Olympic champion, silver medalist in the World Championship and Diamond League champion in the javelin throw. He is the first Asian athlete to win an Olympic.
Sundar Pichai. Sundar Pichai, CEO of Google and Alphabet and serves Alphabet's board of directors.
Let's now see the renowned and elegant thoughts of Swami Vivekananda.
Youth of today are the builders of
Manwala